So, my dear students, today we're going to talk about the present perfect continuous. So, there are three uses of the present perfect continuous. The first one is to talk about an action which has happened over a period of time. The second one is to talk about an action which has recently finished and has a result in the present. And the third one is to talk about an action which is still happening or has recently finished. We use the present perfect continuous to talk about an action which has happened over a period of time. It pairs ask and answer questions about what you have been doing in the last 2 weeks. Use the ideas to help you. Go to the gym, play sport, study for exam, look after younger brother, sister, earn money. Next one, we use the present perfect continuous to talk about an action which has recently finished and has a result in the present. For example, work with a partner to turn to guess what led to the situation in the pictures. Think of as many possibilities as you can. Use the present perfect continuous. So we use the present perfect continuous to talk about an action which is still happening or has a recently finished. We use for and the since to talk about the length of the action. Complete using for and the since. For example, we use to say when an action started and to say how long the action took. And we use for to say about when action started and the since to say how long the action took. Okay. You can find the examples, write the samples sentences using for and the since and the verb in the present perfect form, continuous form. So, for example, I have been studying the first 8 things since last year. For example, yeah, the first is done by me, and the next write the sentence in negative and the question forms. Positive, I have been learning how to clean granite clips. Negative forms, and I have not been learning how to clean granite clips. Question, have I been learning how to clean granite clips? For example, the next one is about the right has been learning to raft, and you must write down the negative and the question forms of this sentence. Next one, the present continuous or the present perfect simple. For example, remember the present perfect continuous makes the action important and it says how long it's been continued. The present perfect simple makes the result important and it says how many times something has happened. Base these pairs of sentences in the action or the result important. I have been writing later. I have been written 10 letters today. I have been going to the theater recently and I have been to the theater 3 times. Choose the correct form of the verbs to complete these sentences. The first one, Steven Spielberg. You must choose the first one, or you must choose one of them has directed or has been directing over 20 films. And he has been working on new since February. Oxford University Press has been publishing thousands of books. They have been publishing for hundreds of years. Madonna has been recording albums for more than 2 decades. She has been recording at least 10 hit records. Write short paragraph about what you have been doing at school in the last few weeks. Use these ideas to help you study for a test. It's your home task. My dear students, learn about someone or something interesting and practice something, work on a special project. So, thank you for attention. Let's speak about the next slide. Okay, thank you very much for attention. Goodbye.